we're going to ask you to stand up and do a little exercise on the spot. Your instructor is Edna Levitt. Hi, Edna.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm very good. I'm very good.
Wow, you got a grip of iron here.
I have to tell you, after listening to those two brilliant young men, I have never felt so inadequate in my entire life. This is not a good moment. I'm really sorry, but I'm going to ask you to sit down.
I thought you were going to...
No, I'm going to get them going.
Well, that's exercise. You've been up. Now you're down.
Hi, everyone. I just want to say how pleased I am to be here at this fantastic conference and to be presenting the final exercise break of the IdeaCity conference. We're going to spend about 10 minutes together, and I'd like to tell you what the 10 minutes is going to look like. I'm going to tell you how I got into fitness. I'm going to tell you some of the benefits of strength training, which is the fitness that I do in my business. And then we're all going to do some exercises. I'll even tell you ahead of time, we're going to do some cardio and we're going to do some muscle works. And so we've got quite a busy 10 minutes ahead of us, but it's going to be fun as well, definitely. So I think I want to start by telling you that I came from an exceptionally lazy family. I grew up in Scotland. I don't think I ever saw my mother and father go out a walk. It was always raining, so nobody played tennis. I couldn't play hockey. It was truly a very sedentary life. And by the time I got to age 19, I was a big girl, and I was really lazy. And I don't think things improved very much in my 20s. And I think the most energetic thing I ever did in my 30s was lifting my son out of the crib and into the car seat. That was all I ever did. And I think by the time I got to my 40s, I think I did a little bit of speed walking, but nothing serious. And then 6 months after my 50th birthday, I got a phone call from my son. He was in McGill. And he said to me, "Listen, Mom, I've just joined a gym, and so should you. You know what? You're middle-aged. It's about time you started exercising." So my knee-jerk reaction was to say to this 18, 20-year-old boy, "Look, honey, you look after your body, and I'll look after mine." But I guess something must have just sunk in. We were just about to go off to Club Med. I'm a single mother, and I was taking him to Club Med for Christmas. And I went out, and I bought my very first pair of running shoes. Can you believe, 50 years of age, and I bought my first pair of running shoes. And at Club Med, we went out a little walk every morning, and I could feel really virtuous that I was starting to exercise. When we came back to Toronto, I joined my local gym, the Y. That was another thing. When I was growing up, there was no such thing as a formal gym. This is quite a new thing in our lives of the last 30 or 40 years. Certainly not when I was growing up. I joined the gym because they had just put in a walking track, and I thought I might get into some serious speed walking. I think after 3 days of going around the track, I got so bored. I thought, you know what, I just cannot do this. I can't go around in any more circles. And I looked down into the gym, and they were doing an aerobics class. I thought, you know what, that looks like fun. I joined the aerobics class, and that was the morning that I became a groupie. So now I became a fitness groupie, and now, 20 years later, I'm still a groupie. I go every morning, and I join the group. Whatever they're doing, I'm doing. So it's an amalgam of a strength training and a little bit of cardio work. So if we're all getting ready and thinking about working out, I will tell you that I'd love a show of hands. Can I see everybody here who exercises on a regular basis? Oh, lots. What about, well, sometimes I do and sometimes I don't? And do we have anybody that says, no, I don't want to do that? Nobody. Brilliant. That's great. One person there. The benefits, what I do in my work, I got so enthused with fitness that I started my business 3 years ago. I do strength training. And I just want to say very briefly, before we start on our workout, the benefits of strength training are absolutely myriad. Anybody who doesn't strength train particularly over the age of 45 or 50, is truly asking for trouble. The benefits are that it can prevent osteoporosis for women. It's a preventative to diabetes. Building lean muscle mass in our bodies means that we're burning more calories all the time. If you're on a weight loss regime, it helps to keep the weight off. And for the women in the audience, studies have shown that it actually improves our confidence, self-confidence, and self-esteem. I just want to say one other thing. It's never too late to start doing weight training. Never. I have a client of 88, and when she started out, she could barely lift a pound weight, and now she's lifting 5 pound weights. So don't ever feel that it's something that you can't do or that it's not worth doing, because it really is. It's the best thing that we can do for ourselves. Okay, we're going to start the cardio section of our workout. So now it's everybody up. Are we ready? Can we have some music? So we're going to get the body ready. Get the hips going. Got to get those hip flexors moving. Everybody should be doing it clockwise. And I'm going to count you. 4, 3, 2, and 1. The other way. Ready, everyone? Okay, I'm going to count you down. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, everyone. Marching on the spot. I want to see shoulders back, chin out. Nice posture, everyone. Now, you can walk or you can do a little jog, but let's see those arms pumping. I'm going to count with you. Okay, everyone. And if you want to count, you can shout too. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Can we do it one more time? Yes. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Still standing, feet together. Okay, 1. Follow me, everyone. I'm going to be counting on 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. One arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Back to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Forward. Marching. Shoulders back, chin out. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Arms together. 1, 2. Rotator cuff. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Bicep curls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Are we warmed up? Yeah? Tell me you're warmed up. Little jog for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Again. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Let's get the heart rates down a little. Everybody all warmed up? Okay. Now I'm going to tell you what we're going to do next. Nobody sit down. We are going to do the best exercise that you will ever do for your body. Every time I go to the gym, when we do strength training, let me tell you what they do. Squats. Everybody has to squat every day. Somebody called me, somebody emailed me recently and said, give me your 3 tips for older people to exercise. I said, squats. My mantra is, seniors gotta squat. But not just seniors. We all gotta squat. And I'm gonna tell you why. Every workout I do for myself at my gym, with my clients, we always start off with squats. I'm really sorry that we couldn't give everybody 2 sets of 5 pound weights, because that would make it much more effective, but we're going to do them nonetheless. So this is what you're going to do. I'm going to show you first, and I'm going to show you from the side view as well. This is, I'm sure all of you who exercise know what a squat is, but notwithstanding that, I'd like to tell you the proper way to do it. And that is you start off standing up straight, shoulders back, chin out. None of this stuff. You know, some people think that this is a squat. It's not. Got to keep everything back. The posture's got to be maintained at all times. You do the squat. We're not going to do anything with our arms right now. Breathe in and breathe out from the side. I'm sitting in the chair. I'm squeezing. Breathe in and breathe out. So it's not this. You just make as if your seat, I hope that all the backs of your seats should be up. And make as if you're going to sit, and then you pull yourself up, okay? So we're going to start. We're going to do sets of 8. By the way, I tell my clients, every single morning when you're waiting for the kettle to boil or the coffee to perk, hold onto your kitchen counter, 3 sets of 12 squats. They said, what do you mean 3 sets of 12 squats? I said, go on, time me. Well, I'm not going to ask anybody to time me, but I'm telling you that 12 squats takes 25 seconds. So we're going to start off by doing 3 sets. The first set, we'll give the arms a rest because we're working hard. Are we ready, everyone? Have some music there. Okay, right, breathe in. Okay, 1. Keep looking at me. 2, 3. Squeeze those glutes. When you stand up, squeeze them. I'm counting you down. 6, and 5, and 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Anyone feeling the quad yet? I'll give you a few seconds break because now we're on to the next one. This time we're going to incorporate the arms. Okay, down and bicep curls. No throwing yourselves back, please. Nice and straight. And this is 4. And this is 5, and 6, and I count you down. 5, 4, 3, and 2, and 1. Ready for the last set? Start off here. Okay? Down and up, and down. This is 2. This is 3. You can do it. Come on. 4, and 5. And 6, and 7, and 8. You've done it, you've done it. Don't sit down yet. We have to have a little bit of a cool down. Everybody turn to face the right, please. Put your hands on the person in front of you on their shoulders and give them a nice little massage and cool down. Nice little massage. A massage for a count of 4. Okay, everyone, I'd like to run up this row and give everybody a massage. So in order so that those people at the end of the row get a turn around and do it again, guys. Okay, you can stop now. Thank you very much, everyone.
Edna, don't go. I heard a little gasp of recognition amongst some of you who were sharp enough when Edna said that she had made a decision at the age of 50, and then 20 years later. Edna turns 70 next month. Thank you, my dear.
This happened to me once before. I was doing a workshop, would you believe, at the Baycrest Centre. And somebody also got the bit that I was nudging 70. And they applauded me. And I'm going to say to you what I said to them. It was nothing to do with me being born in 1939. Thanks, everybody.